Welcome to Logical Age. Today I am making a mini studio lights with very simple way. If you want to buy studio lights from shop, then it will cost you a lot. You can make it under $5 only. So make it yourself. So let's get started. You need to buy mini mobile tripod, some wires, 4 6-volt LED lights, a male-female jack and switch. First of all, you need to remove the mobile holder which connected to the body. Then remove the steel spring holder by opening up the screw which is located under the holder. After doing that, it looks like this. Now take the two LED lights and join into the holder. First of all, remove the cover and lights from the case. Now drill the case with measure by the holder. Now I am signing by pencil for the better joining. One is screw in the bottom and another is screw in the top. Now I am drilling the case. Now I'm marking the holder for drilling. Now I'm drilling the holder. You need some 1 cm screw. Now I am cutting the extra plastic of the cover. Now just tight the screw. After doing that, it looks like this. Now take the wires and solder it on the LED lights. After the first LED soldering, then solder the second one with the same wire. Now connect the second LED lights with parallel connection. After doing that, it looks like this. Now take this wire and take another wire and join it. And solder it on the third LED light. Now I'm inserting the switching line. This is the switch wire, and this is the power wire, and this is the light wire. Join the lights positive to the switch positive, and join the power's negative to the lights negative, and then join the power positive to another wire of switch. Tape the switch joint for the safety purpose. Now connect the switch line. And glue it on the middle. Now connect the female jack to the power supply wire. After soldering, untape the jack. Now I'm connect the body to the lights. Now you need a 12-volt charger. Now let's check the light. It's clearly turned on. Now I'm showing you how is the light's performance. It's looking so cute, right? This footage is without light. And now I'm turned on the light. How beautiful, right? Looking so beautiful. So you can make it yourself with very easy way. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give a like this video, share it to your friends, and subscribe to my new channel to give you awesome creative ideas. See you later in the next video.